Hello students, welcome to our last video of chapter 1. So with this video we will be totally done with chapter 1 and then we will move towards the next video. So a important topic that was the marginal opportunity cost and its diagrammatic explanation. So we will talk about the marginal opportunity cost and its diagrammatic explanations. Well, without any further ado, let's get into today's video. So, my dear students, we already know that what is the marginal opportunity cost. There is a small video of that, the marginal opportunity cost. But still, I am writing its definition and I am telling you again and again to concentrate on this video. You will get the maximum information of marginal opportunity cost in this video. Well, it is the amount sacrificed in order to produce one more extra unit of other good and it is the ratio of change in loss in output to the change in gain in output. The change in gain output, and symbolically it can be expressed as MOC equals change in loss divided by change in gain. It is a ratio of change in loss to change in gain. Well, we already know up to this part that it is the amount sacrificed, the marginal opportunity cost is the amount sacrificed in order to produce one more extra unit of other in okay, let me bring amount sacrificed in production of okay, let me write it here. You will get the more information in production of one in order to okay, it is the amount sacrificed in production of one. In production of one, I want to mean it in production of one commodity in order to produce one more extra unit of other commodity or other good, whatever you want to name it. And it is basically defined as a ratio of change in loss to change in gain. Now let's see how diagrammatically we can explain it, and for that reason we need a table. And from the production possibility video we already know that how to form a table with marginal opportunity cost. So still I am doing that. So first one will be production possibilities. I am just writing PP, but you guys please write production possibilities. Then let's take a labor intensive item, rice, and one capital intensive item, laptop, and finally let's take our marginal opportunity cost, MOC. So first the production possibilities A, B, C, D, E and F. And now the rice production 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep the laptop production blank. Start with MOC. First one will be nil. Then start with like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The laptop production now start with 0. Then 0 plus 5 plus 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. And then 14 plus 1 is 15. So now how to explain this table? So from this table it is clear to us that when the economy is producing at a combination, it is producing no rice and only laptop. But if it wants to produce one more unit of rice, and let's measure rice in kg and laptop in units. So if economy is want to produce one more extra kg of rice, so it needs to sacrifice 1 unit of laptop production, and it will come down from 15 to 14. And let's see our MOC. Change in loss divided by change in gain. So change in loss, the loss in output was associated with laptop. So change in loss is 1, and here the change in gain is 1. So 1 divided by 1. So this is verified. Now if the economy wants to produce at point C with 2 units of laptop and 12 units of 2 kgs of rice and 12 units of laptop, then it need to sacrifice 2 units of laptop in order to produce 1 more extra unit of 1 more extra kg of rice. Now let's see here. Change in loss was 2. From 14 to we have came down to 12. And now what is our change in gain? The gain is just 1. So what 2 divided by 1 is 2. So in this way we can come down to the last one also, but for the sake of simplicity, just mention any 2 points, like say suppose the economy is producing at point P. Here is producing 1 kg of rice and 14 units of laptop. Now if he wants to produce 1 more extra kg of rice, 2 kg, then it needs to sacrifice 2 units of laptop and need to come down to 12 units of laptop. So that means to produce 1 more extra kg of rice at point C combination production possibility, then it needs to sacrifice 2 laptop production. Now let's see in the diagram way. So here let's take rice, and here take laptop. I'm just writing R and L. R represents rice and laptop represented by L. The diagram drawing is like the same way. Let's put 0 against 15, then 1, 14. Yeah. Then okay, this would be slightly here. This point. Then for 2 it is 12. For 2 it is 12. Okay. 2 it is 12. Then for 3 it is 9. For 3 it is here. For 3 it is 9. then for 4 it is 5, for 4 it is 5, and finally this one. So let's join all these points. So this is our production possibility curve, and we have it is drawn by plotting rice against laptop, and we have got the points A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash and F dash. Joining them we get our production possibility curve, and we are saying that the economy is producing at point B, which relates to the B dash on this diagram. So at B dash he is producing 14 units of laptop and 1 kg of rice. Now if he wants to produce one more extra kg of rice, that means at C, which relates to the C dash, he will be sacrificing 2 units of laptop. See, 14 to 12, here also 14 to 12, we have sacrificed 2 units of laptop production and came down to 12 units of production. So thus we can say that in order to produce one more extra unit of laptop from point B dash to point C dash, or B combination to C combination, we need to sacrifice 2 units of laptop. Well, this is it, and this is the how we draw the marginal opportunity cost with the help of diagram. And finally, one more thing, that the marginal opportunity cost, you will find that it is always increasing. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the marginal opportunity cost will be always be increasing due to the fact that the resources, all of the resources are not equally efficient in production of all commodities. The last assumption of production possibility curve. So this is the reason, the last assumption of production possibility curve is the reason why MOC is increasing, because all resources are not fully efficient in production of all commodities. If we want to produce any if we want to produce more of any one commodity, then we need to sacrifice production of any other, and this will help us to withdraw some resources from the other good production to the targeted good for which we want a production increase. So here we have targeted rice production for which we want some production increase, and hence we shifted some resources from laptop production to rice production, and as the rice production increased, the MOC also increased. So this is the reason why MOC is increasing MOC, and if you want to explain it diagrammatically, you can use this diagrammatic explanation and the tabular explanation too. And just a quick bonus thing, that if marginal MOC is not been increasing, say suppose it is just constant, I am showing you, say suppose this marginal opportunity cost is something like 2. It is same throughout. You can take 2 or you can take 5, 10. If you take 10, it will be 10, 10, 10, 10, 10 throughout the all combination. If you take 5, it will be 5, 5, 5, 5 throughout the all combination. The simple, my logic is that if marginal opportunity cost remains constant, what will happen? So let's see. Start with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Let me see. 0 plus 2, 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10. Okay. Now let's deal with the diagram. Now let's plot it. For 0 it is 10, for 1 it is 8, for 2 it is 6, for 3 it is 4, for 4 it is 2, and then 1. So let's see what happens. Well, can you see the difference? Whenever the marginal opportunity cost, it is a very striking feature, my dear students. Whenever marginal opportunity cost remains constant, the production possibility curve will not be a convex curve. Sorry, concave curve will not be a concave curve. Rather, it will be a straight line sloping downward because of the fact that marginal opportunity cost is constant. So whenever marginal opportunity cost is constant, the production possibility curve will be a straight line, and whenever marginal opportunity cost is increasing, if you want to see that, just pause this video here and go back a little backwards. Just turn this video a little backwards, and you will see that marginal opportunity was increasing 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It is increasing gradually, but here it is constant. So when it is constant, we are getting a straight line PPC curve, but when it was increasing, we got a concave PPC curve, concave towards origin. And the reason for increasing MOC is that all resources are not equally efficient in production of all commodities. Hence, if we want to produce more of one commodity, we need to shift resources, or we need to withdraw resources from the production of other commodity. Like here also, for the rice production, there is some increase in rice production, for which we have withdrawn some resources from the laptop production. You will, if you want to see that, just pause this video here and go back a little backwards. You will get clear, and I have already mentioned at that time also. Anyways, if you want to still having some doubt, you can turn this video a little backwards and you can watch it. So the main point is that whenever MOC is constant, we will be getting a straight line PPC curve, and when MOC is increasing, we will be getting a concave production possibility curve. So this is all, my dear students. So with this video, we are totally done with the introduction chapter. With the next video, we will move towards our next chapter, the theory of consumer behavior, which is our second chapter. And if you feel any trouble with these concepts, whatever we have discussed in chapter 1, please feel free to comment below on that particular video, and I will get to you as soon as possible. Till then, stay safe, stay strong. Thank you. We will be meeting in our next